Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Rhino tutorial how to reset camera. As example, I will create box and then you can change visual style into set. Go to view menu and then click on set camera, click show camera. So you can see we have this camera and I will change for the camera view. You can click at this point and I will move in that axis. The camera will be moved, or you can click in perspective. You can move by using the orbit. And if you need to save this camera by clicking at this drop down menu, go to set view and then click name view. Click in it, save, and I will set into camera 1. Click OK. Hit close. And if you change the camera view, and if you want to reset, you can go back again into camera 1 option. Go to set view and then click camera 1. So it will be reset the camera. You can click again. I will change in here and you can move into this drop down menu. Go to set view and then click on camera 1. Okay, that's it for a basic Rhino tutorial how to reset camera. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.